Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Recaptcha anti-spam service in your WordPress website. Okay, so in this particular example, I'm using Contact Form 7. So this is my example website, and if you click Contact Me, you can see that this is a contact form for my website, and this form is powered using Contact Form 7 plugin. So I'm going to show you how I install Google Recaptcha, which is a free service. Okay, so you can Google for Google Recaptcha and come to this web page and click on V3 admin console, and you will be able to log in using your Google account. And over here, you just click on this plus, create, okay, and give it a label. So for example, mine is a test site, so I just give it a test site. And make sure you select version 3, which is the latest anti-spam version. Okay, up to date. And add a domain. You can just paste your domain name inside. So for me, I'll just paste my domain name, copy and paste. Okay, and agree and click submit. And after a while, it will show you the site key and the secret key for you to use in your website. Okay, so how to use this is that I'll log into my WordPress dashboard and go to contact, which is the contact form 7 setting, and click on integration. So once I click on integration and scroll down, there is a reCAPTCHA option over here under spam protection. I will just click setup integration. So then it will ask you for the site key and the secret key. So the site key is this one. Move over, paste it here, and the secret key, copy, and move over here and paste. Okay, and click save changes. And now it has been enabled in your website. So it's very fast and easy to install if you use Recaptcha, Google Recaptcha, which is a very effective anti-spam service, and most important, also is available for free, and you can use it for your website if you use any popular contact form plugin. So if you use a contact form plugin other than Contact Form 7, which is shown in this tutorial, you can refer to the respective documentation on where you can save and paste in the site key and the secret key. Okay, so I hope that this short tutorial is useful to help you to enable Google Recaptcha in your website. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the comments area below. Thank you.